Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how Arduino communicates with monitor. Communication is one of the most important aspects when it comes to data transfer. For communication, there are a lot of protocols available like UART, SPI, I2C, etc. Here is a basic secure communication process given. So it involves one sender and a receiver. So sender is the one who is gonna send the message and receiver is the one who is gonna receive the message. For a secure communication, the message is encoded and then it is sent over a communication channel. This message is decoded at the receiver end and received by the recipient. The same process is going to happen during a feedback. The only difference will be that the sender is now going to receive the message and the receiver is now going to send the message. In Arduino also there is one communication protocol called UART. It supports UART protocol. So now we are going to see how Arduino communicates with the help of serial monitor. So for that we just need an Arduino and a USB cable to upload the code into the Arduino. We don't need any additional hardware. Now let's start with the code. Open Arduino IDE software and here is the code to see how Arduino communicates with monitor. So in the void setup we have declared Serial.begin 9600. So here we have set a baud rate of serial communication to 9600. Then in the void loop we have written if serial.available means if a data is available on a serial port, then Serial.print I received means it is going to print I received text on a serial monitor, and then Serial.write Serial.read means it is going to print whatever data available on a serial monitor port. So this is the code of serial monitor communication. Now let's upload the code to the Arduino board. So we have connected Arduino board. So for uploading we have to select the board. So the board is already selected as Arduino Uno and we have to select a port where the Arduino Uno is connected. Now let's upload the code. So you can see here the code is being uploaded and the uploading is done. Now to see the data being received, we have to open a serial monitor. Then we have to set the baud rate of the serial communication to 9600 as we have set it to 9600 in the code. If you use a different baud rate, then you will get some garbage values at the output. So here we have to set a 9600 baud rate. Now here we are going to send a message. Suppose if we enter 1, so it says I received 1. Let's enter number 2. I received 2. Let's enter 9. I received 9. So this is how Arduino is going to communicate with serial monitor. Thank you.